Imagine a world where there are no doctors to heal, no teachers to educate, and no banks to secure your savings. What if you couldn't access the internet to communicate or couldn't find a hotel to stay in during your travels? Life would become incredibly difficult, wouldn't it? These are just a few examples of what tertiary activities, also known as the service sector, provide us with every day. This sector is essential in supporting the primary and secondary sectors, offering services that facilitate trade, improves quality of life, and drive economic development. Tertiary activities are all about providing services rather than goods. These services play a crucial role in complementing the primary and secondary activities, focusing on the distribution of products and meeting the needs of both businesses and consumers. For instance, consider the intangible nature of these services. Unlike goods, you can't touch or store them. Think about when you visit a doctor, the service is provided and consumed simultaneously, with no possibility of storing it for future use. The quality of these services can also vary, depending on who provides them and the context in which they are delivered. Now, imagine the wide array of services encompassed by tertiary activities. Trade and commerce involve the buying and selling of goods, whether through retail stores, wholesale transactions, or e-commerce platforms. Transportation and logistics ensure the movement of goods and people, ranging from public transport systems, freight services that keep global trade flowing. Financial services like banking, insurance, and investment are vital in supporting economic activities, while healthcare and social services provide medical care and social support to individuals and communities. Education and training equip people with knowledge and skills, while information and communication services facilitate the exchange of ideas through telecommunications, media, and IT services. Lastly, hospitality and tourism cater to the needs of travelers, offering accommodation, travel arrangements, and catering services. The significance of tertiary activities cannot be overstated. Economically, they contribute significantly to GDP and create employment opportunities for a large portion of the workforce. They also play a crucial role in expanding markets and facilitating trade. Socially, access to services like healthcare, education, and entertainment enhances the quality of life, while tourism and media promote cultural exchange and understanding. Technological advancements in the service sector drive innovation, improve efficiency, and enhance global connectivity. However, the service sector also faces numerous challenges. Economic competition can be intense, affecting the profitability and sustainability of service providers. The sector is also vulnerable to economic fluctuations, and navigating regulatory environments can be complex. Technologically, protecting against cyber threats is crucial, especially for IT and financial services, and keeping up with rapid technological changes requires continuous investment. Socially, maintaining high quality service delivery, ensuring equitable access to essential services, and addressing workforce skills gaps are ongoing concerns. Looking to the future, the growth and development of tertiary activities will depend on embracing sustainable practices and technological innovations. Developing green services, especially in areas like transportation and tourism, is essential for reducing environmental impact. Leveraging technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and 5G will enhance service delivery and connectivity. Additionally, government initiatives, international cooperation, and skill development programs will play a crucial role in supporting the service sector's growth. In conclusion, tertiary activities are integral to modern economies, providing essential services that support and enhance primary and secondary activities. While challenges like market competition and technological advancements persist, adopting sustainable practices, leveraging technology, and implementing supportive policies will ensure the continued growth and significance of the service sector. This sector will remain a driving force in economic development, and in improving the quality of life for people around the world. So now is the time for you to test your knowledge. Answer the given question in the comment box. Which of the following is an example of a tertiary sector activity? Mining for minerals, manufacturing electronics, providing healthcare services, or farming crops? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today.